I'm at the hardware store. We're gonna do this on a dime.
Hey guys, the most versatile piece of furniture you could possibly have is a console. This is great in an entryway, and I love them behind couches for really small spaces, displaying and storing items, and they're expensive. So today I'm gonna show all my frugal sisters out there how to do this on a dime. And I'm a total goob in the hardware store. We're not exactly handy people. Your hand's on the other side. And even we could make this happen.
Look at that. That's like a thing.
This entire project can be done for under 20 bucks, and here's exactly how. Go to your hardware store and find the furring strips. These are less than $2. You need 4 of them, and here is how you're going to cut it down to create the same table I did in this video. You need 4 pieces that are 8 inches, 4 pieces that are 32 inches, and 4 pieces that are 50 inches. The top of your console table you can get for about $6, and this is a 10-inch by about a 6-foot board, and they cut that down to 54 inches. And you also need 16 3-inch screws, which you can get for just a couple dollars. Now, when we went to start this project, it was actually late at night, just Charlie and I working in the garage after the kids went to bed, and we did this in under an hour. But assembling it is super easy. First, you're gonna take your 30-inch pieces and you want to stabilize them using the 8-inch pieces. The biggest key is anywhere you wanna put a screw, put a pilot hole first, and you want the pilot hole to be slightly smaller than the screw itself.
This is where the long beam's gonna come out, so we're marking this side so we can drill a hole for the cross beam.
We got the one side built, and now we're just replicating the exact same thing over here.
Wow.
Add more pilot holes, lay on its side, and add your large 50-inch pieces to create the table. You're basically making a giant rectangle. Flip it right side up, add a generous amount of wood glue on top, and then add the top of the console table. We put some weight on it so it could dry overnight. Looks awesome.
Good job.
Then you want to sand down your piece really well. I recommend about 80 grit sandpaper, and add whatever stain you want. For this piece, I used a Dark Walnut Stain, and it looks so beautiful. I really feel like a good console table is a solid foundation to any home, and you can totally do it on a dime with virtually no skill. These beautiful photography prints were just $2.99 from the thrift store. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave it a big thumbs up if you did. I have tons of furniture tutorials, all easy, all on a dime, and you guys seem to really like them. I cannot wait for the next video. Join the Dime Tribe so I can see you there. Bye guys.
Can you hold?
No cursing's allowed.
Jiminy Crickets.
Jiminy Crickets. Yeah. Oh, it's not focused on me.
Fiddlesticks.
Fiddlesticks!
This is our bespoke, whatever this is. What are we building? Table thing?
A console table.
Bespoke console table.